Every morning starts the same way, an avalanche of new messages burying the actual work you need to accomplish. Today, we are going to build an automated AI agent in n8n that reads, sorts, and drafts replies to those emails for you. We are using a draft-first approach. The AI reads the thread and writes the response, but the workflow stops before the reply is sent. You retain the final say, clicking approve before anything goes out to a client. To build this, you need three things: a free n8n account, access to your Gmail API, and an API key from a language model provider, like OpenAI or Anthropic, loaded with a minimum balance of $5. By combining n8n's routing with an AI's reading comprehension, you eliminate the repetitive typing and formatting. You get your hours back, while maintaining complete control over your outgoing communications. This is the n8n canvas. Add the Gmail trigger node to start the flow. When connecting your Google account, grant it specific permissions. Check Manage Drafts and Send Emails so the workflow can interact with your inbox. Inside the Gmail node settings, scroll down and toggle off the option labeled Simplify. The Simplify feature removes HTML and metadata to make the output cleaner, but the language model requires that raw context to accurately understand the sender's true intent and the structure of the thread. Feeding the model the complete unfiltered email data provides the specific details it needs to avoid misinterpreting the message later in the process. Next, add an AI agent node to evaluate the email text. Drag a connection to attach a chat model like Google Gemini or OpenAI. Then paste an API key from your developer console into n8n's credential manager to authorize it. Here is a critical step that catches many people off guard. Your account must have a prepaid balance. Providers require a minimum $5 credit before they allow API access. If your account is tied to a standard monthly billing cycle without prepaid credits, the workflow will fail with a silent connection error, and the agent won't respond. Funding this API connection allows the workflow to move beyond simple data routing and start generating intelligent, context-aware text. Open the AI agent node and locate the system prompt. This is where you define the persona. Tell it, "You are a helpful customer service assistant managing my email." Establish clear boundaries. Add specific instructions about your company's tone, whether formal, friendly, or strictly informational, so the agent knows exactly how to communicate. To feed the incoming message to the AI, look at the data panel on the left. Find the field labeled json.text and drag that variable directly into the AI's prompt box. Now, add a Gmail tool node connected to the AI agent to provide specific account permissions. Inside this tool's operation settings, explicitly set it to create a draft. Never set it to automatically send. Restricting the tool to drafting ensures you stay in control of every message leaving your account. The AI handles the drafting, but it cannot contact a client without your direct approval. Now we test the build. Click Execute Workflow at the bottom of the screen, then send a sample email to your connected inbox to trigger the process. Watch the canvas. As the email arrives, you will see the nodes light up sequentially, followed by green check marks indicating successful operations. Click into the execution logs. Here, you can verify exactly what data the language model ingested and read the response text it generated in return. A complete row of green check marks confirms that Google, n8n, and your chosen language model are successfully communicating with each other. Open your Gmail account and navigate to the Drafts folder. You will see the original, unorganized incoming message translated into a clean, polite response, sitting there waiting for you. Your only task now is to quickly review the text, make any minor adjustments, and click Send. From here, you can expand the system. You can add an n8n data table to feed the AI your company FAQs, or route high-priority client messages directly to a Slack channel. By pairing structured logic with an AI's reading comprehension, you automate your inbox management, you drop the repetitive tasks, and you get your time back.